Adding similar fractions. In adding similar fraction, first you have to add the numerators and then copy the denominator. So let us try adding two proper fractions. 3/8 plus 4/8 equals. Again, you have to add first the numerators and then copy the denominator. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 8, copy 8. 7/8. Let's try another one. 4/11 plus 5/11 equals, add the numerators. 4 plus 5 is 9. Copy the denominator. 11. The answer is 9/11. Now it's your turn. 6/15 plus 3/15.